In 2022, I co-founded Voilà Pâtisserie with 2 other partners. Carpigiani is one of our essential machines because at Voilà Pâtisserie, we aim to create a team that is skilled in both technology and culinary arts. Voilà team members can understand technology, have more time to learn, and Carpigiani helps to save time, ensure quality, and prevent human errors. This allows us as a head chef to confidently travel teaching abroad and share our technique without any worries of pastry quality in our kitchen. Myself, I love to teach and also sharing knowledge. This is why I always travel around the world for masterclass teaching. We also invited international world-class chefs as our guest chef to conduct class in Voilà Studio. Making a dessert, which influence of Asian ingredient is always my passion. This dessert called chocolate oolong, which is using one of famous tea in Asia. Making a smooth texture of crème anglaise, which require for chocolate oolong mousse, is my first priority, and Labo Chef 5 is the way to go. My name is Otto Tay. I'm a pastry chef. This is my tea version of petit gâteau, the Oolong. Bon appetito!